Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you my Pandora E-Store haul that I did, and this was done a while ago when they had the free ornament promotion going on. I think it was buy spend 150 and get the ornament, or spend 125. It was so long ago that I don't really remember. And this came in when our post office had the strike going on, so the box is in pretty bad shape. Like, look, I mean, look at the labels, they're all ripped. They tried to open it, look the way they taped it. It just looks so ugly, and it's not, there's no fragile written on it or anything, just so that they know that, it's a breakable item in there. So I'm just hoping that it's not broken, and everything that I ordered is in this box, because I'm gonna be pretty upset. And my fiance wasn't able to get me the ornament this year because by the time we went to Edmonton, it was like a week before Christmas, so it was all sold out long before then. So keep my fingers crossed. Let me open up this box and see what's going on, because I know when the strike was on, people weren't getting their packages. Some people got their packages, there were things missing from it, things broken, and it was just a big crazy delay with getting your stuff. And who knows what's been happening. Maybe your things were falling on the roads, and they get broken that way. So let's just see what's going on in this box. Okay, so I've got my receipt in there, or what I bought. And there's 2 Christmas charms in there and the ornament. So I actually wanted to get the cocoa charm, the hot chocolate charm, I guess is what that one was called, but it was sold out and I wasn't able to get it at that time. So I ended up buying one that I really wanted and another one that I didn't really think would be as nice looking in person, but we'll see. I usually like to keep this white paper because then I can wrap like even my ornaments and stuff like that with it. And I wanted to open up this box. It's been sitting in the room for a while and I want to pack it away when I put away my Christmas decorations. So I want them all to be in one place so that next Christmas I don't have to be looking all over the place for it. So got 2 boxes in here. Okay, so the first one is this train one that I got, the Christmas train. And it's kind of loose, this one. I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be like that, or I am not sure. But I didn't really want to get this one because I wanted Christmas charms to put on my Christmas bracelet, and that is why I ended up choosing this one here. So I don't know, I don't like the fact that it's loose like this, I guess, but that's how the trains are. They always have that loose piece hanging. I don't know much about trains, but yeah, so that is what that looks like. Oops, you can tell they opened this up because it should be on the ribbon and it wasn't even on the ribbon. So they open up the box and they really check things out in here. I wish when they do that they would put people's things back properly. I hate that, Guys, it is so cloudy today and dark. They're calling for snow. The sky is like black on one side and all white on the other side. So no sunshine today whatsoever. So I don't know how good you're seeing this, but this other one is the Santa Claus house, or Cozy Christmas house it's called. So this was the one I wanted, and it's on the back side of it there. It's got some stuff inside which I can't really see, but even this one was not on the ribbon. You know, I don't like that because it means that somebody was in this box going through my things, and I hate that. I understand that, you know, they have to check your parcels when they come in, but geez, they could put it back on the ribbon. Because I've ordered from the e-store before, and they always attach it on the ribbon. But anyway, so that's the other charm. So I went ahead and took the top of the box off because I didn't want to be fighting with that. Usually it's really tight to get this off. It was pretty loose. So there again, they were looking at this stuff, I guess. So it's wrapped in a plastic. And I was excited to get this one because there was a rumor on Facebook that this was not going to be sold to everybody, just like regular or special customers. So meaning the stores would be carrying them, but you would only be able to get to purchase it if they send you an email saying that it's available and you're invited to buy it. So, like, you know, it was one of the blogs that I follow on Facebook. I think it was The Art of Pandora. And I got a little bit upset when I read that because I said, well, you know, that shouldn't be, because what makes one customer better than the other? You know, just because what? They spend more than somebody else? It doesn't matter. You know? So I was kind of upset about that. But then the e-store had them, and I just decided to buy it as soon as it came out because I didn't want to miss the opportunity. Because I said, well, maybe if it's a mistake that they're selling it on the e-store, I better get one before they find out and they stop selling it there. Because like the blog said, it was only going to be available to some people, because a lot of people, they get these things free with a purchase, and then they sell them back on eBay for lots of money. So I think that's what people are doing, and maybe Pandora doesn't like that. But I mean, you can't control what people do with their things after they buy it, so you know. But anyways, I was able to get one, and I just love it. It's cute. Like a little pudding, or yeah, I guess that's what it is. And then they put the protective plastic over the little charm that's hanging, just so that it doesn't get all scratched. That is so cute. I think I'm gonna keep the plastic to put it in. I like to take care of my things. So it didn't come broken, so that's good. I was worried because you can never tell, right? So yeah, that was my Pandora e-store haul, or unboxing, whatever you want to call it. And I should go and show the Art of Pandora that, hey, look, I did get one. So whatever, I don't know who started that rumor, or how come they ended up saying something like that. You know, maybe it was a promotional gimmick because they want people to buy it. I don't know, but you know, a lot of people were upset after they read that, because there's people who buy this, they look forward to this stuff every year, like me, and I haven't been buying in the past because I didn't even know it existed. In fact, I didn't even know Pandora existed until I came to Canada. And I worked in the mall, and I would pass the store by because I didn't think you know, too much about it. And then my fiance got me the bracelet and with a couple of charms, and then I started adding to it, and then you become addictive, so you start buying more and more. No, I can't stop. It's like a bad habit, but I mean, it's a bad habit but good in a sense, because there are other bad habits that are really, really bad for you that I don't want to get into, but this is a good habit for me. So anyways, that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye guys.